Currently on site we have 3 machines operating at once, all doing different things, and our next steps going forward are just as diverse as the events that are happening now. So we have continued swaling across the landscape, more and more water harvesting ditches on contour, ensuring that we soak water into the ground and recharge our aquifers. But at that same time, we're starting to do more detailed work. We're starting to establish the bones of a garden. So we're putting in deep trenches for the irrigation pipes so that they don't freeze over the winter. And we're starting to install our tree rows on top of those irrigation lines, getting it ready for the mass planting in spring. Over the last 3 weeks, we've managed to do quite a few things. 3 very important things being quite large swales that have wrapped all the way around the landscape, ensuring that we have maximum water potential and water use out of our site. We have had to go underneath the castle wall to bring the swale through. We've created an area that I kind of see like it will be a child's food forest. It'll be a children's park, the back of the castle. I'm starting to see a walled area with a natural swimming pool, beautiful fruit trees covering the swale, and it'll be like a little tunnel. It'll feel like a tunnel as you go underneath the canopy of the trees through the water harvesting infrastructure inside the castle walls. Then as we expand out around outside of the castle, the wider design will be something dynamic to explore, something that truly uncovers new things at every turn, different fruit trees, different experiences, different looks, different tastes, different ponds, different areas throughout the entire ecosystem. That in and of itself then encasing the human-built system that will have a petting zoo, it will have a castle, it will have different parts of human-built infrastructure to explore and enjoy, including the different gardens. So this site, as it's been built, we've started on the bones. We've created the main bones of the site, which is the water harvesting infrastructure, followed by the access and then the human-built systems. So now, as we're stepping forward, we're just starting to finish the beginning of our garden and the many more things that will unfold as this design does too. Okay, so when I come back here in 3 weeks, we'll be focusing on 2 things, which is the gardens and the fertility system, the compost. The compost is absolutely vital to this site progressing forward. Any regeneration system needs 3 things. It needs water. All life needs water. It needs fertility. It needs increasing fertility so that we can enrich this environment and have more and more complex species being supported by this environment too. And we need plants. We need a stable diversity of plants, a rich diversity of plants that can create stable, healthy ecosystems. With these 3 things going forward, we will see the regeneration of this site. So it's really important that when I come back, we start building this compost system because it will be the engine. It will be the engine of how this all works.